best value 3 BHK in Pimple Saudagar? Instead of marketing claims, let's look at the numbers, compare it with the nearby projects, and find out if the property actually deserves your attention. Today, we are reviewing Ready to Move in 3 BHK in Siddhi Vinayak Ginger. We will cover its connectivity, apartment layout, and most importantly, see how it stacks up against other premium projects in the same micro market. Let's begin. Let's start with the location. One of the biggest advantages of this project is that Pimple Saudagar is already a fully developed residential neighborhood, not an upcoming one. Everything you need is already within easy reach. Nasik Fata metro station is just 7 to 8 minutes away. Kasarwadi railway station is also around 7 to 8 minutes away. Daily essentials are literally around the corner. Reliance Smart and Smart Superstore are all within walking distance. Schools like Vibgyor Rise and GK Gurukul along with reputed hospitals are also few minutes away. This is the kind of neighborhood where convenience isn't a feature, it's a part of our everyday life. Now let's step inside the apartment. This is a 3 BHK offering 1150 square feet of carpet area, which means you are getting genuine usable living space. This apartment features a 3-side open layout, allowing excellent cross ventilation and abundant natural light throughout the day. It's a east-west facing and is both Vastu and Feng Shui compliant. One feature that really stands out is the outdoor space. You get 2 spacious balconies offering a combined 275 square feet of additional usable area. Now let's look at what really matters. The numbers. This apartment is priced at 1.40 crore with 1150 square feet of carpet area that works out to approximately 12,174 per square foot. Now compare that with the nearby competition. Austin One is priced approximately 1.80 crore. Even though it's ready to move, you are paying 40 lakhs more and its price per square foot is around 14,469, nearly 19% higher than this property. Next is Sukhwani Minerva. The starting price is around 1.96 crore with possession expected in March 2028. Then comes PK Hillcrest where possession is expected around November 27. And finally, Govind Presidential Tower where prices start from approximately 2.25 crore, making this the highest price option in this comparison. Now, if you look beyond just the price tag and evaluate carpet area, ready to move in status, connectivity and overall value, this property makes a very compelling case. For buyers looking for a long-term value, not just a brand name, this is definitely a property worth considering. If you would like to experience this property in person, we have shared our contact details in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more honest, data-driven property analysis across Pune. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.